support this channel of mine. Hi, shall we shout out to my one viewer. hmm. I am Naomi from Philippines, and I am a single mom. I'll find a future husband, but in a good time, in the right time. Hello to viewers, click the help me to grow this channel. Hello. What I'm going to talk there, please comment so I can answer your question. Be sure that your question is fit from my channel, which is not bad comment. Okay. We have only two viewers. Two viewers, kindly share our live. What I'm going to do now is here talking in front of the camera. Hi, 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 hi. I am friendly woman. Also, hello, Michael Samson. How are you doing? What's your promise about my birthday gift? Birthday gift. I already messaged you there, and you said you get your taxes and it's okay, but it's just a promise. Okay, I will not force you to do that. It's up to you when you decide it. Hello to my one viewer. It's coming. You said you get it. And now it's coming. Hello. Thank you for my 520 subscriber in this channel. I need more, about 480 before I reach my 100k. 100k? No, no. It's 1000. I mean, 1000. And please also watch my live to get my what's hour. Even though my what's hour get 3,000, I can get the money. I can monetize the membership and the super thanks on live. Thank you. Please, guys, support me. Hello, Michael. Also, please watch my upload videos. If I have two phones, I get many. Because I'm only using one phone. If I finish to pay this phone, I'll be getting another one. As this is just a home credit phone. I was paying monthly about $40. I pay it monthly for 18 months. Because I pay for I about 10 months or 9 months to pay. October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. So June will be the 9 months. So I have balance about 20,000 in money. It's about almost $400. Thank you for the food.